Hi everyone, and welcome back to day 14 of Christmas in July. Today we're going to be decorating this vintage Christmas playing card using a prompt of Christmas. And our prompt today is tree. Yes, tree. Now you might be wondering, okay, where's the tree? Well, it's here. It may not be the main focal point, but it's definitely part of the design. And this is one of the reasons why I wanted to use this cute little cardinal standing over a Christmas tree, because I wanted to let you know you don't have to have the daily prompt be the focal point. I decided to use a little tree, but then I decided to bring in a miniature flashcard with the word tree on it, and that way it will emphasize what the prompt is. So this Christmas in Design Christmas playing card challenge is just a way for us to start thinking about Christmas, get us in the decorating Christmas mood. Perhaps we're not going to be decorating all of our Christmas cards this month, but at least we can pull out our stash, see what we have, see what we need, and we can start planning for the holidays. Because remember, once we get past mid-year, the holidays really start coming fast. We're going to have Thanksgiving, we're going to have Halloween, and then we're going to jump right into Christmas. So this is just a fun way for us to start thinking about Christmas. So as you can see here, I'm already on my way to finishing my card. I've got my little tree flash card at the bottom, and I'm using that as my base. And then I put this cute little image right over the word tree. I wanted to also make sure that I kept that number 1012 on the top part of the flashcard. Because I just think it's really fun to have those numbers on the corner. And then I started adding my ephemera pieces behind my cardinal. Now, once I added the cardinal, I did leave a little bit of room at the top, because I knew I was going to be adding some of my mini ephemera behind it. Now, I know I could have easily added my ephemera first, but I really wanted to have my cardinal in place before I started adding the background. And then once I was kind of done with the card, I decided I still needed to add a little bit more red. So I had a few scraps sitting on my desk that I decided to incorporate. So as you can see, this is a really cute card, and it didn't take much at all. And even though our prompt is tree, it doesn't necessarily take over the card. We have this cute little red robin or cardinal as our focal point. And it still uses the prompt. So that's it, guys. I hope you like today's prompt being tree. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this card, and I hope to see you back tomorrow with our next prompt for day 15. Thanks for stopping by.